Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the basics fast. Check your system and Fortnite volumes, then pick the correct output device in both places so audio is routed properly. Once done, restart the audio device and the Epic Games launcher to clear temporary driver or software locks. This step often fixes simple conflicts because the operating system or game may retain an old audio session. Restarting forces a fresh handshake between Fortnite and your sound driver, which solves many no-audio scenarios immediately. Now you tackle deeper issues with drivers and settings. Update or roll back your audio driver from Device Manager, and prefer the audio driver from the headset or motherboard maker rather than a generic one. Next, disable audio enhancements and set the output sample rate to 48, 000 Hz or 44, 100 Hz because mismatched rates cause silence. Also inspect the Windows sound mixer and Fortnite's voice and chat device choices. Mismatched selections mean in-game sounds go to finish by confirming privacy and permission settings. Allow Fortnite to use audio devices. On Windows, check microphone and app access. Run Fortnite as administrator or perform a clean boot to rule out third-party conflicts like overlays or mixers. If you still have no sound, delete Fortnite's audio config files or reinstall the audio driver to reset corrupted settings. If that fails, a key troubleshooting tip: test audio with another app or boot a live USB OS to confirm whether hardware or the game is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.